there's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
We are back. I've got some rivets. I got two different sizes because I wasn't sure which size to get. So I got some short rivets and I got medium rivets, and they're both are was that 3/16? They're both 3/16. And I also got some washers. I don't know how much the washers help, but hey, I'm gonna try it. Alright, y'all, I tried to make those rivets work. They just would not. So what I'm ending up having to do is drill some new holes and pop in new rivets. Easy peasy, not too bad. I got one in just to see if it worked, and it did. I just clamped it down in place, popped the rivet on, and it's right there, right next to the other hole. I can just take some caulk and fill those holes in. That's what I'll plan on doing with that. And just keep drilling. Maybe I'll drill one on each side because these rivets are a little bit smaller. So maybe I'll do two rivets for every one of those. And up here, I'll probably do 3 rivets. I'll do one here, and then another one slightly below that. And just keep going on down. And it's not too bad. So I'll show you how I did one, and then you guys can get the gist of it. Alright, so I am going to clamp it to keep the just to keep the integrity and the straightness of the hinge itself. I don't want this hinge shifting on me. Okay, got my drill bit. And what size is this? It's an 11/64 drill bit. Oh. I can't find my center punch, so I'm just taking a screw and a hammer. Bam! That way the drill bit won't walk around on you. Couple of dents like that. Then take the tip of the drill bit, put it in the center of that. It's not walking around on me, and drill. Easy as that. I believe I was using a short rivets. Short rivet. There you go. In. Alright, y'all, I'm going to do the rest of these, and then I'll come back to you when I'm done. Y'all got all the rivets in. I did miss that one there, but I went ahead and popped rivets in the old hole too. It fit in there, so I put one in there. And up here at the top, I couldn't get through this. There must be a bracing or something right here, because I couldn't drill through that, but I got 3 rivets there too. Alright, now it's time to rehang this door. Let's get this thing back up in position to see how much of this I could do by myself. Of course, somebody's out here playing their music super loud, so I'm going to have to talk over this or dub some music over it again. I don't know if I can do this by myself, but if there's a will, there's a way. Short, fat people gotta figure out how to do things on our own if you don't have an extra set of hands. So let's give this a whirl. Luckily, this door is made of aluminum and it's really light, and I can pick it up by myself, no trouble. But I do have arthritic thumbs. Let's see how it goes.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Holy crap, y'all, I did it. Holy moly. I did it. Okay, now to put in the rest of the screws. Put this little cover piece back on. Yeah. Success! I love it when something comes together. All right, check the opening and closing. Nice. Much better. All right, so before it wouldn't even open without dragging on that. The handle was just dragging on the side there. So, all right. Nice. Happy, happy, happy. All right, y'all, there's still a lot to do. I'm going to change out this handle, take this off. I got a new handle, but the new lock, since this one didn't come with keys or lock or anything. So let me go get that handle and can change it. All right, y'all, I've never changed out one of these. I'm assuming I need to take this off to take this off. And then there's some screws on this side. And I'm assuming it'll just slide right on out. That's what it looks like, at least. All right, Allen wrench. Which one do I need here? Too big. Too small. Oh man, come on. Are you kidding me right now? Let's see. How about you? Ha, just right. There we go. All right. Oh boy. Oh, why does it have to be rusted? Okay, there we go. All right, that worked out okay. Okay, so it's adjustable. It goes, the hole goes all the way through, so it's adjustable. All right. Now to take these out, I'm just gonna use pliers here. That's off. And the top. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to lose the hardware, so I'm putting the nut back on there. Ah, okay. It just slid right off. Now, I could probably take this to a locksmith and get a key for it. I think I'm going to hold on to this, though. This one is threaded. Ouch. Y'all, ugh. I really seriously need to go to the doctor about my thumbs. They could probably give me something to help with my arthritis pain. Why am I doing this the hard way? I should be using my screwdriver, but I mean my drill, but I really don't want to strip this out. Oh gosh, y'all, you gotta be kidding me. The holes do not line up. Y'all, I tried and tried and tried to make this thing fit, and it will not. So I'm just gonna have to take this one back. Or I can go to Lowe's and see if they have one that will fit. And just take mine with me. Take the other one that does work with me. Or I could take it to a locksmith, have it rekeyed. But I won't be able to do that until next week. Yeah. Super bummed. I'm bummed that I can't get this handle to work, but I'm very happy about getting the door on, repaired, on the hinges. It's working better than it was before. Super happy about that. And there's a mail truck coming. But anyway, so off to Lowe's I go. My favorite hardware store. How can I be bummed about that? Alright, I'm gonna go to Lowe's, see if I can find something that'll match this. Maybe they have something there in the store. Don't know. We'll see. Alright, I'll come back tomorrow and let you guys know what happened.